What can you learn from Adin Ross as a dropshipper? Very first of all, you need to ask yourself this question over and over again. You need to think every person you see go viral, go super famous, and do something which actually works really well for them on Instagram or TikTok. You need to think, how can I implement what they're doing into my dropshipping business? Because every time somebody goes viral somewhere, you will be able to learn from how they go viral and actually be able to implement that for your ads. Today we're going to talk about how Adin Ross jumped on the Tate hype train and made millions of dollars while doing that. So let's watch a couple of clips here and talk about his genius.
Got you a gift. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Don't worry, if he tries anything, I'll get him. Mrs. Security's not around.
He's not even here. Okay, you don't have to close your eyes. It's okay. I won't make you. All right. It's a shirt. Da 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 da. It's us.
I did actually like the shirt when I saw it on you.
Okay.
So I appreciate the gift. Thank you very much.
My guy.
Thank you, friend. Thank you.
Yes. Put it on.
Come on.
Come on. I got it in your size and everything. Try it on.
Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I'm not going to put it on.
You're not going to put it on?
You know what
Not
he's gonna
now.
use it for tonight?
Maybe at some point in the future. Maybe when we stream together, we could both wear our shirts.
Is that TikTok?
That'd be sick, wouldn't it?
Yes.
Such videos of me.
So first of all, we see Adin is selling merch, which is technically not dropshipping, but a very similar thing, which is print on demand, and it's basically the same thing. The most interesting part here is that normally, whenever you have a call to action, so merch link in description, you have a significant drop in views. So if you would make a TikTok video and everything is doing really well, and then at some point in the end, you just say, click the link in the description to buy yours. You're instantly gonna see how the watch time drops through doing that. Same thing goes on YouTube. If you didn't know this, you can actually check where most people were watching the most on YouTube by just putting your mouse onto this red bar, and you're basically gonna see this gray graph. And you're gonna see the highest point of that graph are the moments where most people were watching. And it's the moment where he has the call to action. This means two things. Number one is he predicted which moment in general is going to be watched the most. And number two is that moment was so good that the call to action didn't matter. And this is a perfect combination. He was not actively selling something, he just reminded the people who actually wanted to buy this product that they can if they click the link below. And below the video, he has a link which links to his store, obviously. So if you understand this, predicting what is going to be viewed the most is a very powerful tool because you can combine that with call to actions. If you have a clip which you know is by far the best clip and then you just say, click the link below, that's going to be the moment where most people are watching. Obviously, you shouldn't do the mistake of having a call to action in the beginning of the video because if people are clicking wait, it's going to downgrade the algorithm. And also people are not so attached to the video yet. So you need to give them some time until they actually can make a decision. Also, what he's a master at is creating controversy. And how he does that is by doing a bunch of different things. Number one is he's playing into a role. And his role was that he was a dork and is basically not disciplined and doesn't get shit done. And he was playing into that role over and over and over again. And then all of a sudden, he had this genius marketing idea where he thought to himself, let me change now. He shaved his head, started going to the gym, and now he's playing the role of being a disciplined guy who basically learned from Tate, and now he's trying to be this top G character.
What the was that?
The interesting part here is he understands what he was doing before that. Whenever he was showing his fat stomach, it was on purpose. He understood that he's playing into the role to make everything go viral. The other thing he was doing constantly was acting gay on purpose.
Fuck, oh my God, Jesus Christ, pull it out!
And I don't really care if this is gonna be offensive to some people, but what he was doing extremely well is going viral with that. And we can watch a couple of clips. There's literally a sus moment compilation with 7.4 million views where Adin Ross is acting gay. And this is an example here.
Oh, hell. I got a fucking beat. I'm about to beat his... Oh, wait.
Conversations about this with a lot of people.
What kind of pants
I know
you
I'm a
wearing?
very... What pants?
Yeah, what are those?
They're reflective blue.
Take them off for me real quick.
Don't be weird,
I'm
Adin.
sorry.
You said you couldn't find the clown, and then... So that's... Carry on. I don't understand.
Every guy, how do I explain it? Maybe not publicly, but every guy has tried something that people might think is like
G-A-Y.
Yeah, exactly. So like we all have. I think we all have. It's safe to say that we all have.
So he was constantly doing this just to get the interaction up. He was constantly doing this because he knew his chat on Twitch is gonna go crazy. This moment is gonna be clipped and uploaded to TikTok and it's gonna go viral. And also it's gonna have crazy amounts of comments which are gonna talk about that moment and basically discussing, hey, do you think he's serious? Do you think he's actually gay? Or do you think he's just pretending and making a joke? Whatever, he's basically creating conversations in people's heads. And this is the main point here, and you should be doing the same thing for your dropshipping ads. Especially if you're doing TikTok organic, you should be acting gay. I'm obviously joking, but what you should actually do is you should be constantly creating conversations in the comments. You can do a bunch of different things to actually do this. Just as an example, if you would film some kind of shoe product and then you see a foot which looks super disgusting and the nails are not trimmed, they're super hairy, it's dirty, whatever, if you just show that for like 1.5 seconds, it's going to create this controversy where people are going to talk about that. This is important. Obviously, you should not overdo this because people are just going to think you're weird in terms of the company is weird, but what you should do is just show it for a second so people are talking about it. And a lot of people are gonna say, yo, did you just see that? That's a good sign. If you don't have people saying that, that means that it was too obvious. If everybody instantly saw it and it's like a 5-second clip of like some weird thing which is only like in the focus, it's not gonna work because obviously everybody saw it, obviously it was on purpose, and obviously nobody's gonna talk about it the same way. Here it's gonna be me feeling clever that I saw it and searching in the comments if anybody else saw it. This is a huge part. If you feel clever about you being able to let a comment there, that's good. You're gonna see hundreds of TikToks where you're gonna see the word "your" written wrong without this thing on the top. And basically the reason for that is you can feel smart commenting that they did a mistake. Now you're the smart guy. If you say 11 times 3 is 53, you're basically gonna have a bunch of people saying, no, it's actually 33. And that is good because that's gonna make you go viral. And you could literally see how much potential is in there by just listening to the numbers Andrew Tate was talking about in terms of Hustler University signups. Before his first stream with Adin Ross, he had like 100,000 subscribers, and literally 3-4 days later, after his first streams went viral like crazy with them together, it was like 130,000, which is insane. 30,000 people signed up for like a $50 per month thing. That's just insane. Also, we have to give Adin credit for not having the ego of being the butt of the joke. He's making himself the joke and making people laugh about him to go viral. This is definitely a strategy which most people would not do because their ego is getting in front of that. It's a very different thing with TikTok Organic where you don't show your face versus where you actually show your face and it's about you being the joke. Now, if you want to learn more about how to go viral, how to build really good stores, how to pick the right products, you can actually click the link below this video and sign up for a call with me personally. We're going to find out if everything is a good fit in terms of working together. If yes, we're going to start working together in a program where I'm just going to teach you exactly step by step how to build a profitable dropshipping business. So if you're interested in that, click the link below and talk to you there.